Hi guys, Rockets and Rovers, and this is episode 1 that you're watching. And before I even start this video, smash that like button. And today we're gonna make a moon rover, and it should end up looking like this. Just gonna show you the details. And now let's start. So I'm going to take this moon rover apart. And it's kind of hard to build. I built it probably when I was 4, and it's been a long time since I've seen it. It's really fun to make because if you've never seen a real moon rover, then and you've never built one out of Legos, then it'd probably be really fun. Let's start right now because I took it apart. So we're going to need a 4 bump, and then you should have 3 bumps on the back, and then you should have 2 side bumps for the wheels. And you should also have one of these. You can make it any color, and it's a 2 with 1 bump on it. You can make it any color. I prefer it red. And then you'll need these see-through orange cones. You can also make that any color. I prefer it orange. And now you will need one of these, and it's a weird shape. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's like 1 square and then a diagonal piece and then flat. And it has 2 bumps on it, and you'll need 2 of those for the rover too. And now let's see. You will need a 1x2 glass piece, see-through, whatever you want to call it, and you can make it any color. I prefer it green. And then you'll need a black piece that looks like this, 2 humps. You'll need to put it right here. You can also make that one any color. Plus, you can make any of these pieces any color. And now you'll need a green circle piece. And let's see. This is done. The head and the body's done. And now we attach this part for more wheels, so it'll stay up and it can roll. And then I really like putting this in the middle on the back just to kind of give it boosters. And I also like putting these cool pieces. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching Rockets and Rovers. Over and out.